there's fountain down there. And for those of you that watch Floridian Elevators videos, you might recognize where we are. That's right. We're at the Mall of Millenia in Orlando, Florida, and here are the infamous elevators. And look how cool these look. Let's go down to 1. These have custom medical fixtures. Here we are at 1. We do have an epic motor going up. But there is a concierge right outside. You know what? Let's get our cap. These are very nice. MT indicator for the fixtures. Here's the phone. 6,000 pounds. Let's take it up to 2. What a motor. Let's send this down and catch the other one. And it's waiting for us. It's a little bit off here. Let's get down to 1. And this time we'll look out the window. I really like that ceiling. It changes colors. There's your certificate. And as with all Schindler's, doorpost doesn't work. Alright, let's go back up to 2 and wrap this up. Not as an epic motor as the other one, but still, these are neat elevators. Wait a minute, star 2? But the button says star 1. That's weird. Well, there it goes, and... Wait, did that just, like... Oh yeah, look at that! The light surrounds the elevator frames. That is really cool. Well, in any case, there it goes, and that'll be it.